everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my series Learn with Me Data Science. I am Vanshika Verma and here is the first video of the series Learn with Me, which covers the basic coding of Python. So let's move to the topic. We cover in this video uh, use comments in Python, executing commands in Python, exporting packages in Python, getting data into saving output in Python, and accessing records and variables in Python. So let's move to the first topic, which is using commands in Python. So there are two types of comments in Python, which are single line and multiple line. To represent single line, we use hash symbol. Comments are the additional information we write in our code in spite of our code to add some additional information. The next topic is executing command. How we can execute command in Python? So there are three example here to execute. The first is printing a message. With the help of print function, we print a hello world. And then we have arithmetic operation. We perform arithmetic operation like the sum product and then put it in a variable and then print that variable. So the variable contains the value is printed. The third one is creating a range. For creating a range, we use a function range. In range, we give two parameters, the first value and the last value we want in our sequence. So we took a variable sequence and put the range of from 1 to 11. And then we take print function, and in print function we took list function, and list function print the sequence from 1 to 11. Import the next topic is importing packages. To import packages, we write a keyword import and then we write the package we want to import and then we use a keyword as np. And then the next topic is getting data into Python. If we want to take data from other file, then for this purpose, we have to take two libraries that are pandas and OS. First of all, we are checking what first of all we are checking our current working directory in which we are working, and then we path the file update if needed. अगर हमें ज़रूरत है तो हम उसको update भी कर सकते हैं. After it we have to check the file we want to access is existed or not. So we use the function if and else. In the if part, we write if os.path.exist means the path is exist or not. If exist, then os will read the file and then load it, and a message is printed which is data loaded successfully. .head function will display the first 5 rows, and then forwarding to the next part, which is else. In else we have condition. If the path is not exist, then a sentence is print that error file not found. Moving to the next topic, which is saving output Python. For saving output for the future, saving output for future purpose, starting with importing the libraries, which is panda, creating a sample data frame in which we took three entities, name, age, salary, and we took their values. After it, we saving this database to a CSV file and then generate a summary statistics. And then we saving summary statistics to our text file. In this manner, we save our output in Python. Now, accessing records and variable. If we have a data frame and we want to access some record or a variable or many variable, so how will this work? First of all, we are creating a sample data frame like we took in our previous code. The first print function print the original database, and then if we want to access first row, then we simply write first row equal to data.loc. loc is location, and then in square braces we give the index, and then this print function will print the first row. Now if we want to access an entity by the name of the column, then it is also possible. In this In this part, age colon will be a variable, and we took data in which we give a parameter age. The age entities will be displayed in this part. After this, if we want to access a specific call, then it is also possible. We give parameter the row and the column, and the intersection of row and column will be displayed. So the outputs are this. The first print function print the original data frame. The second print function print the first 5 rows, and the third print function print the name by column, and then the last print function will be the row and column intersection, which is this. This is all we covered in this video. Commands, execution of commands, packages, importing packages, getting data into Python and saving output, and how we access records and variable. This is all for this video. In the next lecture, we will cover data preparation part. Meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep exploring. Bye bye. This is all for this video. We will cover This is all for this video. In the next lecture, we will cover data preparation part. Meet you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep exploring. Bye bye.